YouTube, it's Flora Aroma, and today I'm going to be making an Animal Crossing fossil plushie. Disclaimer, I don't usually make plushies or sew, so it's not perfect, but the steps are still there, and that should just show you that it's such an easy pattern and an easy plushie to make if it's your first time making a plushie. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Thanks. Thank you guys so much for watching the whole video. If you're getting to this part, if you like this video, make sure to like it and subscribe. It really helps a lot. It really helps to support. If you're already subscribed, make sure you keep watching all the videos. And if you aren't subscribed, subscribe first of all, and then watch all my other craft videos, all my other sketches. It would really mean a lot. And I have a Twitter, Flora Aroma TV. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands. Look at this crap. Yeah, that's about it.